Xbox Cloud Gaming, pricing, and more you need to know. Microsoft's cloud gaming capability is coming in September 15th in the Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. In this video, you will be answered to the most frequently asked questions about Microsoft xCloud gaming platform. How much does the xCloud cost and when will I get it? People who signed up for the preview can keep playing for free until September 11th. The official launch is at September 15 and it will be a $15 per month or a €11 per month, and it is not available for Australia. Unlike the competitors Google Stadia and GeForce Now, there's no free tier for the xCloud gaming. Microsoft is running a first month for $1, which is also €1. Offer will be likely to continue. And there's a 3-month free trial for their partners such as Samsung's Tab S7 and their Note series. What devices can I play on and what are the requirements? Any mobile device running on Android 6 Marshmallow or better and has a Bluetooth version of 4 or more for a controller, plus a connection with a bandwidth of at least 10 gigabytes per second on a 5 gigahertz channel if you're on Wi-Fi. You can download this app from the Google Play Store or the Samsung Galaxy Store. But what about iOS? Can I play on my iPhone or iPad? No. There is a brief beta filtration with it, but now it's gone. Microsoft isn't alone here. Apple doesn't let you play Google Stadia, nor the GeForce Now, nor the Sony PlayStation Now, or any cloud gaming platforms. Do I need a controller to play the xCloud? Yes, only few games like Hellblade and Gears 5 support touch controls at the moment, but you can use any Xbox claiming wireless controller with it. How do I buy games in the xCloud? The good news is you don't need to buy. You can stream many of the games in the Xbox Game Pass subscription library. What games can I play? Microsoft says 100 plus games will be available to play on the mobile at launch. As of now, the beta has 104. Many of them are from the Xbox Game Studio titles. Microsoft only formally announced 30 of the launch games. Check the description for the game list. Can I chat? What about streaming gameplay? You can chat in-game with the phone's mic. To stream gameplay, you need to go for a third-party app service. There is no in-game support. Cancellation policy. If you stop subscribing, you keep your progress and achievements if you buy the game from Microsoft. But obviously, you will lose the ability to play on mobile. That's all for this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.